In this video, I will explain how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. This drive can be used for different purposes, such as installing the operating system on any device and troubleshooting problems like resetting a password. Whatever your purpose is, the process is simple. First, go to the official Microsoft website to download Windows 11. I do not recommend downloading Windows 11 from any third-party websites, as those versions may be modified and could pose a risk to your privacy. Once you are on the official Microsoft website, scroll down until you find the option to download the Windows 11 disk image, ISO, for x64 devices. Click on the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64, and then click on Download Now. Next, choose the product language. Select English United States and click on Confirm. After that, a download link will appear. Click on it to start downloading the ISO file. This file is around 5 GB, so it may take some time. Wait until the download is complete. After downloading the ISO file, you will need to download software called Rufus. Rufus is a free and lightweight tool designed to create bootable USB drives. Go to the official Rufus website. The download link for Rufus will be provided in the description. Click on Rufus for 6.exe to start the download. If an advertisement appears, close it. Once the file is downloaded, you will be ready to create the bootable USB drive. Before running Rufus, ensure you have connected your USB flash drive or external hard drive. The drive should have at least 8 GB of free space. If you are using a smaller drive, ensure that all files are deleted and the drive is formatted. To format the drive manually, open File Explorer, right-click on the USB drive and select Format. Choose NTFS as the file system, leave the allocation size as default and click Start. Once the formatting is complete, your USB drive is ready for use. Now, open the folder where you downloaded Rufus and double-click on it to run the application. Click Yes when prompted. When Rufus opens, it may ask if you want to check for application updates online. Click No. The main Rufus window will appear. At the top, you will see the Device section. Select your USB drive from the drop-down list. If the drive is not automatically detected, click the drop-down and select it manually. If you do not see the drive, click Show Advanced Drive Properties and check the List USB Hard Drives option. This will make external drives visible. Next, in the Boot Selection section, click on Select and choose the Windows 11 ISO file that you downloaded earlier. Click Open. In the Partition Scheme section, set it to GPT. This ensures compatibility with modern UEFI-based systems. If you are using an older computer that does not support UEFI, you may need to select MBR instead. The file system should be set to NTFS. You do not need to change any other settings. Before starting the process, double-check that the correct USB drive is selected. Any data on the drive will be erased during this process, so ensure you do not have any important files stored on it. Once you have confirmed the settings, click Start. A warning message may appear, informing you that all data on the drive will be deleted. Click OK. Another prompt may appear asking for additional confirmation. Click Yes. The process will now begin. Rufus will copy the Windows 11 installation files to the USB drive and make it bootable. This may take a few minutes, depending on the speed of your USB drive. While Rufus is creating the bootable drive, avoid disconnecting the USB drive or shutting down your computer. Interrupting the process can result in a corrupted drive, requiring you to restart the process from the beginning. Once the process is complete, the Status section in Rufus will show a Ready message, indicating that the bootable USB drive has been created successfully. Click Close to exit Rufus. Now, Open File Explorer to verify that the USB drive is now bootable. The name of the drive may have changed, and you should see Windows installation files inside it. To use the bootable USB drive, insert it into the computer where you want to install Windows 11. Restart the computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings by pressing the appropriate key during startup. The key varies by manufacturer but is usually F2, F12, Delete or ESC. Inside the BIOS, look for the boot order or boot priority settings and set the USB drive as the first boot device. Save the changes and exit the BIOS. The computer will restart and boot from the USB drive. You will see the Windows 11 setup screen where you can begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows 11 or access troubleshooting tools if needed. This is the easiest and safest way to create a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel.